Here's a 1968 Camaro. Honestly, this thing is beautiful. It's had a bunch of engine work done. It's got all the right exterior modifications. It's got the paint done. It's got the awesome wheels. The driveline is amazing. Just needed some special audio work. Customer wanted to do something nice, a little bit special, wanted it to sound quite good, wanted it to be clean and tidy. So what we've done is we've put the speakers in these kit panels. We've got a tweeter and a mid-range driver, throwing out a beautiful amount of sound. We put them on an aluminium mount that we riv nut into place. Then we've made a nice, beautiful cover panel with a custom grille. So it all looks as factory as possible. And then we've just finished it up in a nice black vinyl. And the sound out of it is unbelievable. What it really means is we don't have to cut into these beautiful doors. We're able to just leave them as they are. There's no wires hanging through the doors, keeping it clean and tidy and perfect. So we made this piece up here to trim up around the gauges. So it's designed to keep the look of the vehicle. We've made sure the stereo and gauges sit far enough back that you're not staring at them. They aren't the biggest thing in the car, but we've got them there so they're accessible. While you're driving down the road, you can use it. You can change the station you're listening to. You can have your Bluetooth playing as loud as you like. You can adjust everything. You can still see all your gauge information. There's no wires anywhere that you can see, and that there keeps everything just looking clean and nice. We've made a nice custom rear tray for this vehicle. The lady wanted the same word as what's written on her license plate, except in the sort of way that the factory Camaro badge is written. And we have put that on the rear tray. So we made up this battery cover, which just hides the battery away. The battery exposed, you can see we've set this battery up so it's easy for the customer to use. It's quick to remove, it's on a big solid mount. We've changed the terminals over and we've got a cut-off switch, so if they're leaving the vehicle for a long period of time, they can switch the battery off. This panel just slides straight back on. Nice and easy to put on and remove so they can get to their battery, but they don't have to look at it all the time. The customer came in with the Sony 12-inch sub in a different box. Now, this is actually quite a good subwoofer. It's running on a little 2-channel Sony amplifier that once again she brought in as well, but I know that this pairing goes okay if you put the sub in the right box. So we've put it in a proper box, which is all lined on the inside. Of course, it's perfectly sealed. It's designed for this car, it's designed for the sub. It all bolts in from the other side. It's one beautiful unit. It's easy to put in and out. Then we've got this carpet cover panel that just sits over it, cleans it all up nicely. But this is only the end of stage 1. Stage 2 is going to be a little bit of fun. This car's going off to a car show. Let the customer go and enjoy it a bit. Take it on some cruises. That's what owning a car like this is all about.